I'm going to show you how to clean windows like a pro. The first step is to add the XO2 squeegee wash into a bucket of cold or hot water. This product here will help to dissolve all of that stubborn dirt and grime and finger marks and insects or anything else that you've got on your glass. It's also going to help your squeegee to glide. Second step is to give the glass a good scrub with a professional washer. This is the 35cm microfiber version, and just going to run through that with you. What you want to do is give the glass a really good scrub, making sure that you don't push water and chemical into the seals and frames. That creates problems for you later on, that way as well as that way. Once you've given your glass a really good scrub, time to squeegee. Before you do, what we want to do is just create a what we call a dry zone, which all you need to do is just go down the glass like this and just dry a small section of the glass so that you can put your squeegee rubber onto the dry glass and make sure that you start really well. Before you start squeegeeing, just make sure that you have the right angle between the handle and the glass. It should be 7 centimeters, but if you just use your pinky finger and touch the glass, you'll find that that's around the right height for you. Once you've got your angle right, start going across the glass with a slight angle so that the water droplets come down like this. When you're learning, you're probably going to be pushing a bit too hard, so we just recommend that when you're coming across, just back off the pressure by about a half and then maybe even another half. When you're coming through on your strokes too, just make sure that you're overlapping the last stroke by about 3 centimeters. And you're done.